little bit Paso doble, how to dance Paso doble, just in general idea for you. Very simple. So, put your weight on the right foot, and now stretch your thighs forward all the way. So idea for you is to create a shape behind. Like look at my body. See my body straight? Now send my arms back and stretch my thighs forward. I create a space. Like if there is a bull, you see bull gonna go from this side and gonna pass. Like if I stand like this, bull is coming, is hit me. If I do this, bull can pass me. So the whole idea on every step, you're gonna create a shape.
This shape up.
Yes, so take a look from this side, maybe it's easy to see. You see, if I'm on this leg, you see I create shape. Now, I need to create shape, number one. Number two, I need to maintain shape. So now if I change weight, you see I need to go like, almost like with my hips like a circle, like this. So to have shape, not like we're doing figure eight in other dances. Got it? So you always create a shape as you change weight. Now, get this idea first? Now watch. If I'm here and let's say I need to step forward, right? And I have a shape here on the back. So if I need to step forward, see I collect my legs, you see they slightly bend. I straight my knee, that's what you've done in Rumba, you straight your knee, and then you push from the leg, so you always have a shape as you move. So that will be a forward walk for Paso. Got it? And let's say if you have to do something, let's say if I have to go there and turn, you see I create shape, I step, I have a shape, and you see as I turn, I maintain my shape. Then I need to do two walks. I go walk, walk, hold three, walk. So therefore, when you step in Paso Doble, you walk, the leg should be straight, then you step. Straight, then you step. Now, this is a low walk. We also have a high walks. Like a surpluses. That's the most basic. So go on your tippy toes. That's actually the bronze level. Send your hips forward and go on tippy toes. Side, together. Side, together. That actually teaches you how to move. So and you see your knees are straight. Yeah, give me like pressure here. Yeah, like almost like your hips going to T, 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 T. And we can change that. Yeah, we can go to the right. Ta, 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 ta. We can go to the left. Ta, 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 ta. Then a pal. You can hit the leg. Boom. You see, as we walk forward now from the heel. So hips are forward. Forward, 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 forward. So now maintain a shape. Yeah, forward, forward, forward. Yes. So for this low walk, you may point your foot, then step. Point your foot, then step. That's a better idea now.